Hurricane Headquarters, sponsored by NHC.
At this hour, parts of Florida are already seeing the effects of Hurricane Helene. The storm expected to slam into the state as a Category 4. Coastal cities are already seeing rain and flooding. Parts of North Carolina are even being affected. At this hour, both states, along with Georgia and Virginia, have both declared emergencies. Now, for people who decided not to evacuate, Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis says it's too late now. Right now is the time to hunker down. DeSantis also saying that he's warning people who may have second thoughts.
Don't put yourself at risk. We have fatalities on the roadways in hazardous conditions almost every storm, and those can be avoided with proper planning.
Right now, Entergy has 700 employees and contractors deploying to Florida to help with storm recovery. The company released a message from one employee. Take a listen.
I've been on multiple on-system storms. The last off-system storm I went to Pennsylvania, then to Connecticut. We're currently gearing up, about to go over everything. We're going to get loaded up and head towards Georgia. We're going to get with Georgia Power, which is one of our mutual assistance companies.
We know after storms like this, tons of power outages follow. Entergy crews from Texas, Louisiana, New Orleans, Mississippi, and Arkansas are all heading out to Florida.